Company name change, made simple with Filings Corner. Hello and welcome to Filings Corner. Thinking of rebranding, expanding, or realigning your business vision? Changing your company's name is a strategic move, but under MCA regulations, it requires a clear legal process and timely filings. At Filings Corner, we handle your entire name change journey, from resolutions to ROC approval, seamlessly and compliantly, so you can focus on your next big chapter. Step by step, how to change your company name under MCA. Step 1. Board resolution. The board of directors must pass a resolution approving the new company name. This resolution is the first formal step in the process. Step 2. Check name availability. We'll conduct a name search on the MCA portal to ensure your new name is unique and available. We also guide you through trademark checks to avoid brand conflicts. Step 3. Shareholder approval. Special resolution. Form MGT-14. A special resolution must be passed by the shareholders in a general meeting. Form MGT-14 must be filed within 30 days of this resolution. Step 4. File name change application. Form INC-24. File INC-24 with MCA, along with updated MOA and AOA reflecting the new name. Must be submitted within 15 days of special resolution approval. Step 5. ROC review and approval. Once approved, the Registrar of Companies will issue a fresh certificate of incorporation with the new company name. Step 6. Post-approval changes. Update the new name across MOA and AOA documents, business licenses and registrations, bank accounts and invoices, PAN, TAN, GST records, letterheads, websites, contracts, and branding materials. Legal considerations before name change. Trademark search. Prevent legal conflicts by checking trademark databases. Contractual updates. Update all third-party agreements and registrations. Public notice. Required in some sectors via newspaper publication. PAN and TAN update. Mandatory name change update with income tax authorities. Why choose Filings Corner? We offer end-to-end support to ensure a smooth and stress-free name change process. Board resolutions and legal drafting. MCA filings. MGT-14, INC-24, MOA, and AOA amendments. ROC liaison and follow-up trademark and branding advisory. Post-approval assistance for PAN, GST, and bank records. Our team of company secretaries, legal experts, and compliance specialists ensures zero delays, zero rejection. Start your company name change with Filings Corner today. Call us now or visit www.filingscorner.com. Let's rebrand your business the right way. Legally, quickly, and confidently. Filings Corner. Compliance reimagined.